There are several myths about eggs that often cause confusion. Here are some common ones, along with the facts. 1. Eggs raise cholesterol and are bad for heart health. Myth: eating eggs increases cholesterol and leads to heart disease. Fact: while eggs contain cholesterol, they don't significantly raise blood cholesterol for most people. Studies show that eggs can increase good HDL cholesterol and have minimal impact on bad LDL cholesterol in healthy individuals. 2. Brown eggs are healthier than white eggs. Myth: brown eggs are more nutritious than white eggs. Fact: shell color does not affect nutrition. The color difference is simply due to the breed of the hen. Nutritional content is nearly the same in both. 3. Raw eggs are more nutritious than cooked eggs. Myth: eating raw eggs provides more protein and nutrients than cooked eggs. Fact: cooking eggs enhances protein absorption. Raw eggs have lower protein bioavailability and may contain bacteria like salmonella, which can cause food poisoning. 4. Eating eggs daily is unhealthy. Myth: you shouldn't eat eggs every day. Fact: for most healthy people, 1 to 3 eggs per day is safe and beneficial. They provide high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals, supporting overall health. 5. Egg yolks should be avoided. Myth: egg yolks are unhealthy and should be avoided. Fact: egg yolks are packed with essential nutrients like vitamin D, B12, choline, and healthy fats, unless advised otherwise by a doctor. Eating yolks in moderation is beneficial. 6. Eggs cause weight gain. Myth: eating eggs makes you gain weight. Fact: eggs are low in calories, about 70 per egg, and high in protein, which helps in satiety and weight management. They can even aid in weight loss when part of a balanced diet. 7. Eggs need to be refrigerated at all times. Myth: all eggs must be stored in the fridge. Fact: in some countries, eggs are washed, removing the protective cuticle, which requires refrigeration. However, in places where eggs aren't washed, they can be stored at room temperature safely. 8. Pregnant women should avoid eggs. Myth: eggs are unsafe for pregnant women. Fact: fully cooked eggs are safe and beneficial during pregnancy, providing essential choline, protein, and vitamins for fetal development. 9. Egg whites are better than whole eggs. Myth: egg whites are healthier than whole eggs. Fact: while egg whites contain pure protein, the yolk provides important nutrients like choline, vitamin D, and healthy fats that are essential for overall health. 10. Eggs can be left uncooked for hours without spoiling. Myth: eggs can sit out for a long time without going bad. Fact: once eggs are refrigerated, they should stay refrigerated. Leaving them at room temperature for too long can increase the risk of bacterial growth. Bottom line: eggs are a nutritional powerhouse and safe for most people when eaten in moderation. Many of the myths about eggs have been debunked by modern science, so you can enjoy them guilt-free. I want to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for subscribing to my channel. Your support, likes, comments, and shares mean the world to me. Your encouragement keeps me motivated to create informative, engaging, and valuable content for you. Whether you're here for health tips, nutrition insights, or educational videos, I appreciate your trust and time. Stay tuned for more exciting content ahead. Comment below and let me know what topics you'd like to see next. Once again, thank you for being part of this journey. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.